Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I've got this iPhone 14 Pro for unboxing. Let's do unboxing and quick first impression of this phone. So I just got this in my mail today. So let's look at the box inside. As usual, very minimal Apple boxing, and you just need to peel this off. And the phone is inside. So this is iPhone 14 Pro in space black. It comes in four colors: space black, silver, gold, and deep purple. This one is space black, and it comes in four memory capacities. One is 128, 256, 512, and 1 gig. As you can see in the box, this is the phone. Very good looking, shiny sides, stainless steel metal frame in black, which looks really good. The back frosted back of iPhone 14 Pro. This was initially introduced in iPhone 12, and after that they are carrying it on to 14. To be honest, it looks very similar to 13 Pro that I have, which is in blue color. Alright, let's look at other things in the box before looking at the phone again. Okay, so as usual, these stickers are in the box. It tells you that it does not come with a physical SIM anymore. So you need to activate your eSIM, and it comes with one sticker. That's it. Very minimal documentation in the box. The Apple way nowadays, they don't give you much in the box, as you know. There is no charger as well, just the cable. This is USB-C to Lightning cable. There were rumors that this year they are going to get rid of this lightning cable, but it is still there. It's going to be there for a very long time, I guess. Let's look at the phone now. So this is iPhone 14 Pro in space black, 128 gig. Looks very similar to last year's 13 Pro, but this comes with new upgraded 48 megapixel camera. Last year it was 12 megapixel. I don't expect to see too much of difference because they do a lot of computing behind the scenes to produce those good looking photos, and I think their engine to produce that photos are really good. Let me turn it on and show you the Apple logo. Physically, there is no difference at all. I would say buttons are on the same location. Behind for frosted glass looks same. These camera lenses look same. I bet even I will be able to place my iPhone 13 Pro case on this. So let me try that as well. But in the front, the biggest change is this dynamic island. That's a too flashy name, dynamic island, but this is really good. Last year it was just a notch, and in some camera angles you could still see that it is not completely a notch. There is still some screen. They have just made those pixels black to match that pill design. You can set it up. Look at this. Other than that, there are no more changes. Obviously, this year the camera is upgraded to 48 megapixels, so expect some good looking photos. And they have one added layer of stabilization that they call it action mode, I guess. In that one, your videos are really stabilized. So this was a quick unboxing, guys. Let me know in the comment section what content do you want to see for this iPhone 14 Pro. I can do like a setup video as well later on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.